Hello, welcome to my channel. We are going to be learning how to design a birthday flyer, as you can see on my screen. Now, before we go into the design proper, I want to use this opportunity to ask you to subscribe to my channel, comment and share this video. Also, hit on notification to know when new videos drop. Now let's go and design this flyer. You go to File and you click on New. And we choose the dimension 7 by 9.5. You come to this area, that's 7, that's 9.5. Our resolution is 300. Color mode is RGB. Background content is white. Then we click Create. Now we have our canvas, our work area. The next thing to do is to bring in the images. So we decide to bring in the background. Okay? Anyone you choose, anyone that can go for you, better. Alright? So we get the images. So here the images drop. Okay? So the next thing to do now is to remove the background one by one. We begin with the first image. This is our layer panel. Okay? So we pick the first image from the layer panel. We go to select and we click on subject. Now we are going to hit on Ctrl J. You hold on your Control key and you hit on J. Right. Now after that, you look at your layer panel, you see layer 1, that's the removed background, okay? Next, we are going to delete the one under it. Okay. Now we choose the second image and we go to select and we click on subject. And again, you hit on Ctrl J. So we have layer 2 now. And under it, we delete. We go to the third picture. Now, this is how you will have to remove the backgrounds of all the pictures or images you'll be using for your design. Now, as you can see, all the pictures we have here, we have removed the background from all of them. Okay, right now we go to the layer panel and we remove this layer 2 by clicking on the eye icon. Okay, and we remove layer 4. Okay, we are only left with layer 1 and layer 3. Now we take layer 3 and we bring it up under layer 1. Okay, now next we are going to remove layer 3 and work with layer 1 first. Now we are working with layer 1 and layer 2. Yeah, now we are going to work on the first image. Okay, we click on it and hit Ctrl T and we bring it down. So we bring it down. Okay, we are going to go to filter. Then we go to camera raw filter. Now in camera raw filter, we go to basic. This is where you edit your images. Okay, so we go to saturation and give it +6. Okay, go to clarity, give it +20. All right, I think this is the only one we are going to use. Vibrance, add vibrance +15. Okay, then we go to details to add sharpening. Okay, so we click on sharpening 57. Okay, then we reduce noise reduction, we give it 52. Always I make my noise reduction more than sharpening. Okay, so this is what we have now. We click OK. Now we are bringing in the second image. Okay, so we now put it on. That's the second image. All right. Opacity was activated. Okay, so we hit on Ctrl T. So this is what we have. All right, we are going to duplicate the second picture. We go to layer panel and we drag. Okay, we have copied it. All right. Then we hit Ctrl T again, and from inside of it, we click our right mouse and click flip horizontal. Now having clicked flip horizontal, we now take it to the right, left, and take the other one to the right. We join them together, okay? We select both of them and arrange it very well. Now we are going to activate the eraser tool, okay? So we go to the tool bar and we activate the eraser tool. We click it on the first image. We select the first image, okay? You check your bar here. That's the size of the eraser, and we soften the hardness. This is hardness, and we soften it, okay? And this is what we have. Now we apply it to the image. Okay, then we click on the layer 3. Okay, we click on main layer 3. All right. It's now time to bring in the background. We take the first background, we drag it in, and we straighten. Okay, we get to filter, we go to blur, and we activate Gaussian blur. All right, so you use the slider to get what you want. Okay, so next we are going to bring up the picture. Okay, the ones we are using, we select it, select this from the layer panel, and we take them up. Okay, so this is what we have now. Okay, we are going to use soft light. All right. Now, finally, we are going to bring in the rectangles. That's rectangle 1, rectangle 2, okay? That's from the layer panel. Then we bring in happy, and we bring in birthday, okay? And we bring in the name, Ella, okay? So that is it. We bring in the next rectangle, and we bring in the date. So that is it. Our birthday flyer is ready. Thank you for watching.